Welcome to Aquarius Boat Rental and Tours, your gateway to the opulent waters of Miami. We're not just about boat rentals, we're about crafting unforgettable experiences. Glide along Miami's coastline, feel the city pulse around downtown Miami, or meander through the iconic Millionaire Row. Our fleet, from 20-foot vessels to grand 70-foot crafts, each one helmed by seasoned captains, primed to guide you on your aquatic adventure. Ever dreamed of a sandbar party? We've got you covered. Nixon Sandbar is the place to be, a Miami gem you can't miss. And for those who love celebrity spotting, our tours are your golden ticket to the homes of the stars. Birthdays, bachelorette and bachelor parties, or just a day out in the sun, every occasion becomes a special event with Aquarius. All-inclusive pricing, no hidden charges, small or large groups, we cater to it all. So come, embark on a journey of luxury and excitement with Aquarius Boat Rental and Tours. Your Miami story starts here. In summary, Aquarius Boat Rental and Tours offers a premier boating experience in Miami. From 20-foot vessels to grand 70-foot crafts, each helmed by seasoned captains, we provide unforgettable experiences. Whether it's a sandbar party at Nixon Sandbar, celebrity home tours, or special events like birthdays and bachelorette parties, Aquarius caters to all. The journey of luxury and excitement starts with Aquarius Boat Rental and Tours.